everyone. That music of Kahoot is something now a very familiar thing with us. A year before, I think very few of us were aware what Kahoot is. But now I think most of us have been skillfully using Kahoot to make our classes more interesting, more participating, more interactive, and loved by all. Children are very eager. They are waiting for their teachers when the Kahoot game is going to be played. You've now learned very well that how can you make your children play Kahoot. So well friends, now it is time for you to play Kahoot and win something. Do you know Kahoot gives certificates also? There are 3 certificate courses of an hour each wherein you get a bronze badge for the bronze course and a certificate, a silver certification badge along with the silver course, and a gold certification badge along with the certificate for the gold course. So well, let me tell you how you can do that. It is so simple. I have earned all 3 and I want all my friends to do the same. So I go to Chrome and I type Kahoot certified. I get Kahoot certification. I click on this and you can see the course that I want to do. So you get an option of getting Kahoot certified. So it tells you about the course, that what all courses are there, what all is there. In the bronze course, they tell you how to effortlessly navigate the Kahoot platform, search and discover the existing quality, high quality Kahoots, and so on. In silver one, they tell you how can you yourself create a high quality Kahoot from scratch, and a number of other things, adding multimedia, understanding the game options, the student-based challenges being assigned to them. The Gold course helps us to access and analyze the Kahoot reports, use Kahoot for informative assessments, master the Kahoot app, and so many things. These courses can be done very easily. I'll have to begin with the bronze course, get the certificate for that, and then I am eligible to appear for the silver course. Once I do that, I can go on for the gold course. So let us start the journey of getting certified. I click Get Kahoot Certified. You see here, I click on this Get Kahoot Certified and the course started. The bronze Get Started and Discover with Kahoot. A simple thing, you need to scroll down. There are few videos that you need to see, which is a course actually, which tells you how you have to appear for the Kahoot that is going to be played. Enough of making the students play. It's our turn now to play the Kahoot. Once we have gone through all these videos carefully and listened to each and every word that they have told, I am ready to get challenged. I go on to get certified now. Once I click that, I get log into your account. Now, I'll have to install the Kahoot app. That's very important. Once I have done that, I'll log into my account in the app and then I'll enter the PIN and I know how to play Kahoot. So I'll do that. Once that is done, 80% is the criteria for the certification. If I need to go on to be eligible for the silver course, I need to get certified for the bronze course first. So remember, this course you have to clear, because if you are not able to clear it, there is a second chance you will get after a week. The course opens for you for the bronze course after a week. So you need to be very careful in attempting it. The moment I was able to score 80%, above 80% marks in the quiz, I got a mail. Let me show it to you. It will appear in the promotions. So you can see here the Kahoot mails are here. This is the first mail. I click on that. Let me show you what all I've get. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the first course of Kahoot. And I get an option to download the digital badge and I can get the certificate also. So let me show you how do I get that. When I go on to this, I get the badge. I can take a screenshot of it or I can save it. Let me show you the certificate also. When I click on this, this is the certificate I get. I type my name. And I can download it. Now, while downloading with your changes, so with your name, the certificate can be downloaded and saved. So that's all for the bronze course. Once we've done the bronze course, I'll take you back to the mail that I had received. You scroll down, it gets ready for the next level. Once I am through with the bronze course, I can start with the silver course. So again, the silver course has started, right? Once again, the same process, an hour's time to watch the videos. Small videos there are, but they give us a lot of knowledge about how to add the multimedia to Kahoot, how to use the game option when hosting a Kahoot, how to assign a student-based challenge, how to use Kahoot for distance learning. So all these things we get to know how can we do that. And once we are through, once we are ready for to take the exam, I just click here and I get the pin for my silver course. Once again, 80% is the criteria for passing. I'll go into my app, log in there, and put in the pin and play the game. If I get 80%, once again, we'll get a congratulations mail. I'll show you the mail I got. So this is the mail I got for the silver badge. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the second course of the Kahoot. So again, I can just download the digital badge here, and I can download the certificate also with my name printed on it. So exactly same way, once I've done that, I can go on to the gold course. Same procedure to be followed there. The difficulty level keeps on increasing. We get to know more and more things. The video 1 for reporting in Kahoot, video 2 for Kahoot for formative assessment, video 3 for how to use Kahoot for revision and repetition, video 4 for navigating the Kahoot mobile app. So number of things we get to know. How can we use already there are so many pre-existing Kahoots which can be wonderfully used in the class. We get an access to all of them, how to use them. Once we are ready and through with our syllabus, we can take our exam, that is the challenge, the game, the Kahoot that can be played. So if I click on ready to take the exam, once again, same procedure, and I go on to this. I just type in the pin and I'm ready to play. So after my bronze course, I received the digital badge for the bronze course and a certificate. After silver course, I received the silver certification badge and the certificate for the silver course. I received the digital gold certification badge and a certificate for the gold course. So I'm sure all 6 of them can be in your kitty also. So ensure that you work a little and take all these badges the way I have done. It is not at all difficult. I'm sure you'll come out with flying colors. All the best. Thank you so much.